Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in chess.com account. So first of all, launch open chess.com application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here chess.com application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for login. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the login interface. You can either log into your account by providing the credentials, or you can also log in with Google or Facebook. So simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to log into my account by providing the credentials. So tap on the field phone number, email or username. Now enter your phone number, email or username over here. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Now after entering the email, what you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after entering the credentials, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in chess.com account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.